Precision is everything on a construction site. One small alignment mistake can turn into hours of rework, wasted materials, and costly delays. That's why professional contractors rely on tools that deliver absolute accuracy. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most trusted layout tools used by professionals around the world, the Hilti PM40MG multi-line green laser level. This powerful tool is designed to simplify layout work, improve efficiency, and help contractors achieve perfectly straight lines, accurate alignment, and reliable measurements in demanding job site environments. But the real question is the Hilti PM40MG truly worth the investment? In this video, we'll explore its design, technology, accuracy, real-world applications, and overall performance to help you decide whether this professional laser level deserves a place in your toolbox. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is AI buildPro and Sites, where we explore professional construction tools, modern engineering technology, and real job site solutions used by contractors and builders around the world. Our goal is simple: to help professionals discover the tools that improve productivity, precision, and efficiency on the job site. And today, we're focusing on a laser layout tool that has earned a strong reputation in the construction industry, the Hilti PM40MG multi-line green laser level. Hilti is widely known for producing high-quality professional tools designed for demanding construction environments. Their tools are built for reliability, durability, and performance, which is exactly what professionals expect when working on large projects. The PM40MG multi-line laser level is specifically designed to assist with layout tasks such as wall alignment, ceiling installation, electrical positioning, and interior construction work. With its highly visible green laser technology, self-leveling system, and 360-degree layout capability, this tool aims to make layout work faster, easier, and far more accurate. But the real question is the Hilti PM40MG truly worth the investment? Before we continue, if you enjoy learning about professional construction tools, engineering technology, and real job site solutions, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We regularly review professional construction tools, construction equipment, and innovative technologies that help contractors and engineers work smarter and more efficiently on the job site. And today, we're focusing on a laser layout tool that has earned a strong reputation in the construction industry, the Hilti PM40MG. Build quality and design. Let's begin with the build quality. The moment you look at the Hilti PM40-MG, it's clear that this is a professional-grade tool. The housing is built with durability in mind, designed to handle the harsh conditions commonly found on construction sites. The tool features IP54 protection, meaning it is resistant to dust and splashing water. This is extremely important because job sites often involve dust, debris, and unpredictable conditions that can easily damage lower-quality tools. The compact design also makes it easy to transport and position within tight working spaces. Whether you're working inside a residential building, a commercial project, or an interior renovation site, the PM40-MG is designed to fit naturally into the workflow. Green laser technology. One of the standout features of this tool is its green laser technology. Traditional red lasers often use red laser beams. While red lasers work well in many situations, they can sometimes become difficult to see in brighter environments. Green lasers, however, are significantly more visible to the human eye. In fact, green laser lines can appear up to 4 times brighter than red lasers in certain lighting conditions. This improved visibility allows contractors and installers to clearly see the layout lines even when working in large rooms or areas with strong lighting. That means less guesswork, faster setup, and more confidence during installation work. Layout capabilities. The Hilti PM40-MG is designed to provide multiple layout lines simultaneously. It projects a 360-degree horizontal laser line, multiple vertical alignment lines, and a plumb point for floor-to-ceiling alignment.
This combination allows users to perform complex layout tasks without constantly repositioning the tool. For example, when installing drywall partitions or wall framing, the vertical laser lines help ensure that studs are perfectly aligned. At the same time, the horizontal line provides a clear reference for leveling installations, such as cabinets, electrical boxes, or ceiling grids. This multi-line capability can significantly reduce setup time and improve workflow efficiency.
Accuracy and performance. Accuracy is one of the most important factors when choosing a laser level. The Hilti PM 40-MG delivers an impressive accuracy of approximately plus or minus 2 millimeters at 10 meters. For most construction and installation tasks, this level of precision is more than sufficient. This means that whether you're installing partitions, aligning electrical outlets, or positioning ceiling components, you can rely on the laser lines to provide accurate reference points. The visible working range is around 40 meters without a receiver, which is ideal for most indoor construction environments. For larger spaces, the tool can also be paired with a compatible laser receiver, which extends its usable range even further. Self-leveling system. Another important feature is the automatic self-leveling system. The PM40-MG can automatically level itself within approximately plus or minus 3 degrees. If the surface is slightly uneven, the tool adjusts internally to ensure that the projected laser lines remain perfectly level. If the surface angle exceeds the self-leveling range, the laser lines begin flashing as a warning. This helps prevent inaccurate measurements and ensures the user always maintains proper alignment. This feature saves time during setup and eliminates the need for manual leveling adjustments. Battery system. The tool operates using Hilti's B12 lithium-ion battery platform. This battery platform is widely used across many Hilti tools, which makes it convenient for professionals already working within the Hilti ecosystem. On a full charge, the PM40-MG can typically run for 7 to 10 hours, depending on the number of active laser lines. For most contractors, that means the laser level can comfortably operate throughout an entire workday without interruption. Jobsite applications. The versatility of the Hilti PM40-MG makes it suitable for many different construction tasks. Common applications include suspended ceiling installation, drywall partition framing, electrical outlet alignment, plumbing pipe positioning, interior wall layout, floor marking, and construction planning. Essentially, anywhere that requires straight alignment and precise leveling, this tool becomes extremely valuable. For contractors working on interior construction projects, it can dramatically improve both speed and accuracy. So, if you're a contractor, engineer, installer, or construction professional looking for a high-precision layout tool, the Hilti PM40-MG is definitely worth considering. Its combination of green laser visibility, durable construction, self-leveling technology, and professional accuracy makes it a powerful tool for demanding job site environments. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more professional tool reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to AI buildPro and sites. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and share it with other builders and construction professionals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.